Have you ever wondered what goes into hearing the sounds around you every day? A conversation with friends, the music you listen to while you work, a concert on the weekend? Most of you probably haven't, but that's what I'm focused on. And for me, this research is personal. It lets me combine my passion for music with my 20 years experience wearing hearing aids. Amazing advances have been made in hearing aid processing for speech. In fact, in some noisy situations, I think I can actually hear better than my normal hearing peers. But until recently, little has been done for music. Hi, I'm Larissa Taylor, a PhD student in the Auditory Engineering Lab, but in my free time, you can find me playing clarinet. Music, especially live music, has characteristics that make it different from speech. The volume, for example. People normally speak at a comfortable listening level in conversation, but music has a huge dynamic range. Just think of a quiet woodwind solo or a brass section all playing in unison as an example. There is also the frequency content of music to consider. The human ear can hear sounds from 20 to 20,000 hertz, or cycles per second. The human voice has most of its energy and information in the lower frequencies, from 250 to 6,000 hertz. But a cello or a flute could create sounds well outside of this range. This creates additional problems for hearing aid processing. While speech communication is important, so is music for many people who wear hearing aids or who may require them due to aging or noise-related hearing loss. In fact, Statistics Canada says that 40% of adults 20 to 79 have at least some hearing loss. If we can improve music processing for hearing aids, all of these people can continue enjoying music and the social and cognitive benefits it brings. In order to do this, we must make music comfortably audible without distortions or making the music sound unpleasant. We must also test these programs in realistic environments. The Live Lab, shown here during a concert experiment with hearing aid users, allows us to do just that. My work in the Live Lab is just getting started, but the changes that I make to hearing aid processing to optimize it for music will have real benefits for hearing aid users who want to continue enjoying music performances. Thanks for hearing what I had to say.